The next topic, 4 variables problems. In this 4 variables problems, given question 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. The possible minterms two power n is equal to 2 power 4 is equal to 16. Then we will present 16 box. Then A, B, C, D, A, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then last row 8, 9, 10, 11, then previous row 12, 13, 14, 15. In this problem given question 0, then equivalent of 0, 1, then 1, put 1, 2 equivalent to 1, then 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Then remaining terms we will put 0. The octal will only for one octal will be present here. It is octal. In this octal, in this terms will be 0. It is 1. In this common terms only for A bar. Then next one quad. First quad number 1. In quad number 1, common terms, in this common term C bar, then A bar, B bar, A, B bar, then B bar. The next quad will be present here. This quad 2. Quad 2. In quad 2 is equal to, in these terms, common terms, D, it is B bar. D, B bar. D, B bar. The final answer, Y is equal to A bar plus C bar, B bar plus D, B bar. It is final answer. Next problems, the minterms is not given. The given problem is SOP. The possible SOP, then first term A bar, B bar, C bar. The missing terms in these terms D plus D bar. In these terms, missing terms A bar plus A, B bar, C, D bar plus, in these terms all terms will be given A bar, B, C, D bar. In last terms D terms will be missing. A, B bar, C bar, B plus D bar. These terms A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Then next terms plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. In these terms A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus A, B bar, C, D bar plus, in this terms all terms will be given A bar, B, C, D bar. Then last terms A, B bar, C bar, D plus A, B bar, C bar, D bar. These terms SOP, possible SOP will be converted in these terms. Then A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Then next terms A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. And next terms A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Next terms A, B bar, C bar, C, D bar. Then A bar, B, C, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D. In last terms A, B bar, C, D bar. Then 8, 4, 2, 1 table is occurred. First terms, then bar terms will be 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1. Only for D will not bar. Then in this terms, all terms will be bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. 0, 0, 0, 0. The next terms A bar, B bar, only C, that is 1. Remaining terms will be 0. Then next terms only A and C. 8, 4, 2, 1 table. A, C. Remaining terms will put 0. Then in this bar terms A, B, C, 1. Remaining terms will be 0. Then 1, 1. Remaining terms will be 0. Then last terms 1, 0, 1, 0. In these terms only for is equal to 1, that is 0, that is 2. In these terms 10. In these terms 4 plus 2, 6, that is 9. In A4 to 1 table last terms is 10. In last terms only for 1, 0. In last problem's values 8. We can arrange plus 1. Y is equal to, the min terms will be 1, 0, 2, then 10, 6, 9, 8. We will arrange 0, 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10. That is the min terms in these problems.